Quickly communicate great ideas with our Screenshot tool. Launch the Screenshot tool via our website or from within your hosting account by clicking the Create button and then selecting Capture Screenshot. Press Enter to grab your entire screen. Single-click over a fully visible window to capture it, or click and drag to capture a specific area. If you have a paid plan, you can capture a scrolling screenshot by pressing the Tab key. More information about taking scrolling screenshots can be found in our tutorial titled Take a Scrolling Screenshot. You can also set the screenshot timer by pressing a number key, 1 through 9, to indicate the number of seconds for the delay. After the countdown, the screenshot controls will be displayed. To use this feature, be sure that the Enable Screenshot on Delay option is selected in your ScreenPal preferences. Any screenshot you take is automatically copied to your clipboard for easy sharing. After you take a screenshot, a menu is displayed in the top right corner of your screen with these quick actions. Edit the title of your image right here. Click here to open your screenshot in the image editor and add arrows, text, shapes, and more. Click this icon to export the image as a file on your computer. Or click here to publish the screenshot to your ScreenPal hosting account. Capture, create, share with ScreenPal.